Who was the founder of the Mauryan Empire? Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Bindusara, Harsha. Correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Second question. Which river is known as the sorrow of Bihar? Ganga, Kosi, Godavari, Yamuna. Answer is Kosi. Third question. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? President, Chief Justice, Lok Sabha Speaker, Vice President. Answer is President. Which is the largest desert in the world? Sahara, Gobi, Thar, Arabian. Answer is Sahara Desert. What is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl, Imphal, Kohima, Shillong. Answer is Aizawl. Who wrote Ardhasastra? Kalidasa, Chanakya, Banabhatta, Aryabhatta. Answer is Chanakya. Who was the first president of India? Rajendra Prasad, Nehru, Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain. Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Which planet is called the red planet? Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Mercury. Answer is Mars. Next question. Who discovered the sea route to India? Columbus, Vasco da Gama, Magellan, Marco Polo. Answer is Vasco da Gama. Which mountain is the highest in the world? Everest, K2, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parbat. Answer is Mount Everest. Article 370 was related to which state? Punjab, Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat, Assam. Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Ambedkar, Gandhi, Nehru, Patel. Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Which ocean is the largest? Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic. Answer is Pacific. Where is the Sun Temple located? Konark, Khajuraho, Puri, Madurai. Konark. Which gas is the most abundant in the atmosphere? Oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide. Nitrogen. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Mountbatten, Rajagopalachari, Wavell, Dalhousie. Answer is Mountbatten. Next question. Which country hosted the G20 summit in 2023? India, Brazil, USA, China. Answer is India. Which is the longest river in the India? Yamuna, Godavari, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Answer is Ganga. Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal? Akbar, Shah Jahan, Babur, Aurangzeb. Answer is Shah Jahan. The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many Indian states? 6, 7, 8, 9. Answer is 8. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu, Pratibha Patil, Abdul Kalam. Draupadi Murmu. Who gave the slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Gandhi, Nehru. Answer is Subhash Chandra Bose. Which continent is called the Dark Continent? Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia. Answer is Africa. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Suchita Kriplani, Sonia Gandhi. Answer is Indira Gandhi. Which river originates from Yamunotri Glacier. Yamuna, Ganga, Indus, Godavari. Yamuna. Who composed the national anthem of India? Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Sarojini Naidu, Subhash Chandra Bose. Rabindranath Tagore. Which state is known as Land of Five Rivers? Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is Punjab. Which is the largest state in India by area? Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Answer is Rajasthan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Knowledge Tricks channel.